Hello, my dear children. Now we are going to start with English workbook. This is the part of our English 2 syllabus. English workbook is part of our English 2 syllabus. Children, now open your English reader workbook to page number 3. Page number 3, lesson 1, The Little Duckling. Exercise B and C is in our syllabus. Only exercise B and C is in our syllabus. So let's start doing. You will do this exercise in your workbooks. Take out your pencils and books and start doing along with me. Part B, name the young ones of these animals. Choose from the box. In the box, few options has been given to you. You have to choose the young ones of these animals from the box, from the options given to you. First one is chick, cub, calf, lamb, duckling, pub. Number 1 is duck. The young one of duck is duckling. Duckling, D-U-C-K-L-I-N-G. Duckling, D-U-C-K-L-I-N-G. Duckling, D will be small. Number 2 is sheep. The baby of sheep is lamb, L-A-M-B, lamb. The baby of sheep is lamb, L-A-M-B, lamb. Number 3 is bear. The baby of bear is cub, C-U-B, cub, C-U-B, cub. Number 4 is cow. The baby of cow is calf, C-A-L-F, C-A-L-F. Number 5 is hen. The baby of hen is called chick, C-H-I-C-K, chick, C-H-I-C-K, chick. And last one is dog. All of you must be knowing the baby of dog is pub, P-U-P, P-U-P, pub. Check your answers once again. Duckling, lamb, cub, calf, chick, pub. Move to exercise C, spellings. Fill in the missing letters to name the pictures. Here children, 5-6 pictures have been given to you. You have to see the picture and complete the word. 1 or 2 words are given and you have to make the word. First picture is B and D is there. 2 letters we have to fill in between and look at the picture. The picture is of a bird. The spelling is B-I-R-D. B-I-R-D, bird. You will write I and R. Second picture is, what is second picture of? Pond. P-O-N-D. Pond, P-O-N-D. You will write O and N. 2 letters you will write O and N. And children, while writing these letters, be very careful that you have to write this in cursive writing. Number 3 picture is of duck. Here D and K is given. You will write U-C. U and C. The spelling of duck is D-U-C-K, duck. D-U-C-K, duck. Number 4 is R, double B and T is there. There are 2 dash. In 2 dash we will write. We'll look at the picture. The picture is of rabbit. We will write A and I in the dash. A and I. The word is rabbit. R-A-B-B-I-T, rabbit. Number 5 is T-R dash dash. Again 2 dashes are there and the picture is of tree. What we will write here? Double E. T-R-E-E, tree. T-R-E-E, tree. And the last one is N-S. 2 dash are there. N-S dash. The picture is of nest. The word is nest. And we will fill E and T. The letters are E and T. The word is nest. N-E-S-T, nest. Check your answers. Bird, pond, duck, rabbit, tree and nest. Children, be very careful about your handwriting. Yes, children, now move to page number 11 of your workbook. Page number 11 of your workbook. Lesson 3, Save Jamuni. Save Jamuni. Exercise A and B is part of our syllabus. Exercise A and B is part of our syllabus. Play with words. Play with words. Part A, circle the odd word in each set of words. Circle the odd word in each set of words. Look at the first one. All these are names of the tree. But one is odd one. We have to find the odd one. Oak, people, lily, Ashok. Which one is odd here? First one has already been done for you. Lily. Lily is name of a flower. Number 2 is pear, wood, plum, orange. Pear, wood, plum, orange. Pear, plum, orange are name of the fruits and wood is odd one. Circle the word wood. Number 3, bird, squirrel, horse, cart. All these are names of birds and animal. The odd one is cart. C-A-R-T, cart. C-A-R-T, cart. Circle the word cart. Number 4, brinjal, beans, pen, tomato. All these are names of vegetables. Pen is odd one. Circle the word pen. Brinjal, beans, tomato are name of the vegetables and pen we use for writing. So circle the word pen. Last one is shirts, ruler, skirt, shorts. Shirts, ruler, skirts, short. All these are names of the dresses, but ruler is a scale. For scale, we use the word ruler also. So circle the word ruler. Shirt, skirt and shorts are name of the dresses. So we will circle the word ruler. Check your answers. Lily, wood, cart, pen and ruler. I hope you all have circled these words. Now move to part B. Fill in the blanks with words from the box. Children, here are few options in the box and you have to select the answers from these options. Tree, kite, hopscotch, bicycle. What is hopscotch? Do you know? This is an old playground game. This game is played in the playground. So shall we start? First one is play. The correct word for play is hopscotch. H-O-P-S-C-O-T-C-H. Hopscotch. H-O-P-S-C-O-T-C-H. Hopscotch. Learn the spellings along with me and write it with the pencil on the given space. Number 2 is rider. Yes, children, what do you ride? The correct answer is bicycle. B-I-C-Y-C-L-E. Bicycle. Write the word here. Bicycle. B-I-C-Y-C-L-E. Bicycle. Play, hopscotch, rider, bicycle. Number 3 is sit under a. Sit under a. Where do we sit under a? We sit under a tree. T-R-E-E. Tree. In a hot weather, we used to sit under a tree. T-R-E-E. Tree. Last one is flyer. Yes, children, what do you love to fly? Fly a kite. K-I-T-E. Kite. K-I-T-E. Kite. Check your answers. First one is hopscotch. Second is bicycle. Third is tree. And last one is kite. I hope all of you have written your answers along with me and write it in cursive handwriting. Try to learn the spelling side by side so it is easy for you to write it in the exams and learn the lesson easily. With this, we have completed our workbook. Complete your work in the workbook pages. Thank you, students. Stay home, stay safe.